This couple are so jealous of you, it's wild. My spirit guides are giving me Hobbit. They're telling me that the masculine energy of the two is a Hobbit. Now, from Lord of the Rings, that could mean they got like Hobbit feet, it could mean their stature, it could just mean the energy that they give off, or it's even a nickname that you call them, they're a little Hobbit. The female energy is very jealous of you, and I feel like the masculine energy is just jealous that you're not with him and that he's with there. It's very weird. The feminine has very blonde hair, and she's got very round face, and her energy is coming through as a bully, but she hides behind this mask that actually she's quite kind, sensitive, sweet, but she's a bully. I feel like this has been going on for a while, or it started a long time ago, ended, and then tried to start up again, or they are starting this up again. This reading's very specific. It's not going to be for everybody. They're telling me that he has addiction issues with X, right? And he has pornography issues. Now, because of this leads all kinds of arguments in their relationship, but my spirit guides are definitely showing me that this masculine is a bit of a perv like that's energy is going on. With the feminine, she is traumatized from her childhood for whatever reason. So you've got these two kind of very broken, right or wrong, good or bad, they're very broken energies. And because of that, they are very low energy people, and that's why they're together, because birds of a feather flock together. I'm going to consult the cards some more for this. I feel that there's a lot of jealousy, there's name calling, there's also this energy of them spreading rumours or trying to spread rumours. Look what just come out. Look at this. The Devil card and the Reverse Magician. One of them or both of them is a narcissist. There is devil energy here, so this is somebody who is lying, someone who is being nasty, someone who really has the devil energy on them. So when you have a very weak auric field, and people have weak auric fields that have addictions, that have a real strong trauma that they've refused to heal from, that have very low vibing, miserable kind of energy. That's how it comes across. But what it is when you have a low auric field, dark entities will attach to you. You will get demonic and spiritual attachment. This can then show up in people looking like they have demonic behavior. And by demonic behavior, I don't mean something out the movies where you get horns and a little goatee or something. I mean demonic behavior is really the energy of somebody who wants to destroy somebody else. If someone is the mindset that they want to destroy someone or take away their enjoyment or love, and they want to hurt someone, whether that be emotionally, mentally, physically, that's pretty effing evil, and that is demonic energy. Very specific message. These people you either worked with, or you work with them still, or they work together. They're showing me that there's a work connection around them. Living by the sea is very prevalent for some of you as well. The Eight of Swords, they are trapped in their own emotions, in their own thoughts, in their own energy. And that's the thing. When people are miserable and horrible, that is purely a reflection of what's going on in them. If someone wants to take your light, it is because they don't have their own. If someone is trying to take your happiness, it is because they are deeply unhappy and they want to spread that around. People who are like that, you have to run away from. Ten of Swords reversed. This person is deliberately, intentionally trying to stab you in the back, not in a physical sense, in a spiritual sense, in a emotional sense, in an energetic sense. So it could be that they are trying to spread some really horrible, nasty rumours about you. So I feel like the man has darker hair. I feel like I can't see. I feel like he may wear glasses. Short, dark hair. The woman has maybe longish blonde hair. Very round face, I'm seeing. And I've seen someone that really struggled with acne as well. I know, see, I told you, this reading is very specific. I've got very specific images of these people. In their current relationship, there has either been infidelity or there's infidelity now. I believe that they are aware of that, but they cover it up. And also there's the loss of someone close, or there's recently been the loss of someone close to you. So it's a very specific reading that's coming through. Just know that these people are jealous. These people are evil, and the only way that you can deal with that is to remove your energy from them. Okay, you have to detach yourself emotionally, spiritually, mentally, because when somebody is so negative and so mean and nasty and wanting to be so mean and nasty, you cannot help them. There is nothing you could do to make them like you, or to make them support you, or be nice or friendly to you, or even just not be horrible. The only thing you can do is detach your time and energy from the situation. Okay, also, if you're a little witchy poo, you can do a little spell. Let's do a protection spell. Okay, black candle, herbs and oils under the full moon. Blessed be.